Uno Emoji, how to play. This game plays the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of the rules, check out this video. The new rules are as follows. Each type of card is themed with a different image. At the beginning of the game, remove the blank Wild Customizable cards and, using a number 2 pencil, write any house rule on each of them. All players must agree to the rules. These cards are wilds and may be played on any other card, even if you have another playable card in your hand. The rule on the card must be followed when you play it, then you pick the color that resumes play. Because the rules are written in pencil, you can erase and change them with each new game. When you play the Wild Emoji card, you may also play any emoji face card, as seen on numbers 0 through 9. Action cards do not count. And the next player must mimic that emoji face with their face while they play, all the way until they play again. If they stop making the face before that, then they must draw 4 cards. The Wild Emoji card is also a wild, so you determine the color that resumes play. If either the Customizable or Wild Emoji card is the first card flipped in a game, then the player to the left of the dealer can play any card on it. At the end of the game, these cards are each worth 50 points.